It's been a few months since me and Jared have moved up here to Washington. As you can see, he's got a new job at a shop, and it was the day that it was time to take off the stickers and get the van ready to sell. We moved up here for better opportunities. Jared just wanted to move up here because he didn't like California anymore. He got a job, obviously, as you could see earlier, and I myself got a job as a government contractor to work with the US military. Now it's time to get the van ready and get it washed and get it ready to sell.
Dumping the hole right up here. It wasn't that bad. There wasn't that big bug. I feel like in those musicals. It's more depressing not having any rain. California and your droughts. That's how it got there. So instead of doing that, let's we need some chairs. Right here, you know that's really annoying, like chairs are like, you know, like right here.
After watching Jared do some art, we came back to his shop and tried to find an extension cord, because next was getting a heat gun and taking off the logo off the van. As you can see here, it was just, I didn't have the audio on, but this was just the start of taking off the letters.
Feels like we're moving on with our lives. I like how you're picking up all your scraps. I'm just throwing them on the floor because I got to sweep the floor anyways. Either way, I'm cleaning it up. Alrighty. Need more heat? You think you're good?
I think it should be good.
I've only get the door dirtier. I'm gonna wash my hands again.
I think we'll just keep the American flags on.
Well, duh.
Yeah, I think someone will appreciate that. It is crispy, Jared.
I didn't hit that with it. I didn't hit that.
I know. But someone decided it was cute to put on rubber.
Someone thought it was cute to work slow as molasses.
Yeah, Jared, how's that working for you, working faster? Do I need to start sticking that around the shop?
Pretty much, yeah. That's what I fucking constantly think to myself. What not to do? Eat your paint.
What not to do?
Try and get in the door handle. It helps.
It does.
We got the juice! Juice!
You know, I might come out a few more videos of prepping the van, but just looking back at everything and seeing the van without the stickers just kind of tells me how far that we've gotten just within the last year with this van. So, here's a couple videos that may have been posted onto our YouTube and some of them that may have not. I hope you guys enjoy them because you never know, we might get back into the mobile mechanic business and just do this all over again. When was the last time you seen a smog guy actually look at the exhaust pipes and be like...
For some damn reason, every time I take it to the damn shop, because I modify all my exhaust.
Well, yeah, they're gonna be like, this guy's kind of sus. He kind of looks kind of sus, you know? What'd you do with it?
What are you talking about?
This is the one that you were just cleaning.
It's right here.
Oh,
right in front of
see,
your
I'm
face.
blind. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm Asian. I only see in wide vision. Now, as you can see, I brought my Chevy man.
Hello there. My name is Jared.
There's always a Dodge in the way.
Yeah. It was just because it was raw. No, this is the raw. No, this is the one John already got. That's the raw one. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Personal Time with Ryan. I'm Ryan.
Say hi to the camera, Jared. Where's your hand?
Yeah.
Where? That's interesting.
It's a first.
That is a first.
Ooh, that's no bueno.
So, fun fact, we were actually maintaining these hearses, and something treats coming around, actually tomorrow at this point. The rack up. Which sucked. Yeah, this thing's probably like 200 pounds.
I just had a cheesy swallow, sorry. We stuck.
There's a turn and a half. Yeah, see, it's loose now. Alright. Say hello to Headcam.
We're off on an epic journey to get the engine for the monster. Kind of. Sort of.
That's 51 punctures so far. So if you've got a technician that's recorded some work on that,
We almost forgot to show how to put on a door panel, even though this isn't a how-to video. Hand. Finger, not hand. It was fun doing it with Ryan and Jared and I myself, but it just comes to a time where things just have to move on, and better opportunities open up, and you just gotta enjoy your life. So, other than that, if you guys made it this far into the video, well, here's a little bit of a treat of just hearing that van that we completely rebuilt. That van taught us a lot of things, and it also helped Jared move up here. But like in the title in the video says, it's an end of a chapter, and a start of a new one. And plus, we get to make more videos. And sometimes, things just don't change, especially when you're a mechanic.
Alrighty, I'm ready to get out of here. I can't bring myself to touch that Jeep again. I just gotta clean it.
There you guys have it. My name's Nick, this is Mechanic Built, and again, definitely hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, hit that like button. It's always free to hit that like button, like always. And also, like I said, this is a mechanic channel, so we do everything automotive related. Until next time, guys.